इन माई सिटी जिसने इंडिया में किया था काफी धमाल, उसके बाद अब प्रियंका ला रही हैं अपनी दूसरी एल्बम और इसका हुआ सोलो सॉन्ग लॉन्च। एक्सोटिक ब्रिंग्स टुगेदर द क्रिटिकली एक्लेम्ड एक्ट्रेस प्रियंका चोपड़ा एंड पिटबुल। तो चलिए इसके लॉन्च पर चलते हैं, पता करते हैं प्रियंका से कि क्या था उनकी पहली एल्बम में मैजिकल टच।
Muggy outside and it's raining and you all have been here for a while, but thank you so much for being here. It's a really, really important day. I think the credit for this and these incredible numbers as soon as the launches happen goes to I think all my fans. Really, they've overwhelmed me. So many of you guys right here overwhelmed me with so much love. I mean, we trended worldwide #1 like multiple times. We went #1 in like a day or two. We even internationally climbing charts, and just it's been such a big impact, and it's all been their support. They've been just my backbone and spine through everything that's happened with me right now.
क्या है राज इनके ट्रैक्स के एक्सोटिक होने का?
Well, that one, the credit has to go to the team. It is Red One mostly, because when he came up with this track, we were in Ibiza, we were thinking about what all music we should do, and he came up with this idea of this song, and he said, "You are exotic, Priyanka. You are exotic, and that's what we have to do. The song has to be exotic." So that's where the term came from, and then we sat down and we made the song. I sang it. We wanted a rapper on it, and everybody thought that once we heard the song that Pitbull would be perfect. So we sent it to him. He loved the song. He put his lyrics down on it and sent it back to us, which we loved. We didn't change anything. And then the Hindi thing happened because something was missing, some desi tadka was needed. And in 10 minutes, I remember Natasha and me were sitting there and we were thinking, yeah, what is this word? What should we put here? 10 minutes, we wrote it down, sang it, and the track was ready.
चलो वर्ड का किस्सा भी शेयर किया प्रियंका ने और साथ ही पिटबुल को हिंदी सिखाने के बारे में भी बताया।
There is no man I say chalo to. I only say chalo to everyone. Chalo, let's go. Okay, if in Latin, in like, we can say it in Spanish, dale, it's such a cool word. I didn't understand the meaning of dale actually. When we were doing a making video and he goes, dale, and he was like, why don't you say it? And I said, what does dale mean? He said like, let's go. What do you say it in Hindi? So I said, chalo. Isn't chalo a cool replacement?
I think
like
chalo rocks, man.
Abhi tak only chalo.
Only chalo.
It took a while to get there. So chalo. Chalo and all the Hindi, like, I wanted to teach him bad words, but it took some time for him to pronounce it, so we forgot about it.
आइए एक्सोटिक की वीडियो के बारे में जानते हैं पीसी से।
All of you know me for so long now, and this is, I wanted to keep this video very simple and very true to the song. It is exotic, and for me exotic is beach and fun and party. It's a party song, it's a song that you have fun to. It's not something you need to think about. Just, you know, Indians, as Indian people, we know how to have fun. You know, our Bollywood songs, we need an excuse to dance on. So this for me is that excuse for the rest of the world. I hope you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun putting it together.
प्रियंका ने कैसे इंडियननेस को मेंटेन किया है इंटरनेशनल ट्रैक में, आइए प्रियंका से ही जानते हैं।
Well, I mean, it was a conscious idea, I would say, but for me it was very important that my music is a representation of who I am. And I'm very desi, I'm very Bollywood. I like the masala, I like the little tadka. So I wanted my music to have a reflection of that in some way or the other. See, this is an English album. It is catering to a global audience. It is not a Hindi album. So I wanted the balance. It's like an experiment that I've done. And I wanted the balance to be great for Desis also and Videshis also. So let's hope that that's how it works. The Desi girl bit, actually everybody calls me Desi girl, so Red asked me what that meant. We were talking about it. And I was showing them Bollywood videos, so I showed them the Desi girl song. He said, what does Desi girl mean? And I said, Indian girl. I actually said hot Indian girl.
Which you are.
So he was like, oh, you know, we should get Pit to say it. And I was like, okay. And then Pit said it, and it just came about.
पिटबुल के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस भी इनका कैसा रहा, इन्होंने ये भी शेयर किया।
बहुत अच्छा रहा। पिटबुल बहुत ही enthusiastic रहे हैं, बहुत ही supportive रहे हैं, and it was so sweet to send this video. He's very supportive about the song and of me, and him and his team are really pushing it, and I'm very happy about that. मैं तो सबको रंगूंगी देसी अंदाज में, please, वो ही है एक अंदाज।
अब जब प्रियंका सिंगर भी बन चुकी हैं, तो कौन से सिंगर ने किया था इन्हें इंस्पायर?
I have a lot of people that I really love in terms of their voices and music. I think, Anushka Manchanda, I love her voice, I love her tone. I love Alicia Chenoy, I love Shreya, and I'm talking about the females. Guys also have a huge amount of favorites. But I like voices which have interesting tones, and I think we have such incredible talent in India when it comes to music, when it comes to voices, when it comes to talent, that I hope that, at least the opportunity that I have got to foray there will pave a way for, a lot more Indian artists to come out.
प्रियंका ने जहां ट्रेंड सेट किया है एक्टर इज सिंगिंग का, तो क्या हम इसे आगे भी बढ़ता देख सकते हैं?
I hope so. I mean, if you can sing, in India, our culture is that we don't have to sing in our music. We've done it for 100 years and it's been very successful. So it's fine. And there have been a lot of actors who've dabbled in it. Mr. Bachchan has, Abhishek has, so many people who've tried it, done it, it's fun. And if it happens, you never know. Somebody can sing their own playback, maybe not, mix it up. I don't think we should put that kind of pressure on something that's been going well for Hindi movies for so long.
प्रियंका ने कहा कि उनकी फैमिली है काफी सपोर्टिव।
My mom was a hottie, and she still is. And I wish I could be as hot as her. I think my family has always been very supportive of who I am, as long as I'm honest to who I am. I'm not someone who's pretentious. I'm not someone who has double standards or hypocritical. If I do something, I do it with conviction. Otherwise, I don't do it. So there's no stress like that in my family. Plus, my family has always been my spine. They've been my backbone. It's the smallest things or the biggest things that I have done has been because they have propped me on their own shoulders. And which is why I'm so grateful that, no matter what I do, little things, they're all always with me.
जंजीर का ट्रेलर जहां आ चुका है, तो क्यों है बॉलीवुड को आजकल प्यार गैंगस्टर फिल्मों के साथ?
Who isn't fascinated with gangster movies? I love gangster movies. And it's not a Bollywood thing. Let's not generalize. I mean, have you seen the amount of gangster movies that are made in Hollywood? Every few years there are these big movies that come out which are like that. See, these are themes, and crime exists, and bad people exist, and good people exist, and good over evil is the oldest, most entertaining form of tale that you can tell anyone. And movies are entertainment, so why not? My favorite film, gangster film. Yeah. Ooh, I actually really loved Company. I thought it was a very, very well-made film. I'm very badass, man. Don't mess
Oh
with
God!
me.
Wow, I love that.
I'm Mary and I'm building my muscles now.
कौन सा था प्रियंका का पहला कॉम्प्लीमेंट सॉन्ग को लेकर?
मेरे दोस्त हैं, मैं तो ऐसे
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।